how to fix Clickbank account disabled. So simply search for Clickbank and we want to go to the website itself. So right here, after the website has loaded, all we have to do is scroll down and keep scrolling down until we see these options right here at the very bottom. So we got affiliates, sell your product, and client support. So we want to click on client support right here. And you will get some other options right here: customer support, affiliate help, and seller help. I think for our need, customer support is the optional, is the best option that we have here. So we're going to select customer support. And then what we need to do is click on live chat now, and we're going to contact customer support. Now, when you start speaking to a representative of Clickbank, you want to explain your issue, that your account was, how it got to the point that it was disabled, if you broke any rules, if not, and basically want to explain your problem here. And if you're not talking to the correct customer support representative, they should refer you. So yeah, that is how you try and fix your disabled Clickbank account. I hope this video was useful to you guys. Let me know if they help you gain your account back, and I'll see you guys next time.